So now let's shift gears and discuss how the Endurant XD series keeps maintenance costs down with smart features. As we've mentioned in the previous module, the internal oil temperature and pressure sensors offer an in-cab display that provides drivers with notifications of excessive temperature and low oil pressure, so they can fix things before it's too late, saving valuable time and money. And further savings when it comes to maintenance costs, thanks to longer service intervals, depending on the vehicle application. This means more time on the road for your customers, where time is money. Here's a closer look. 500,000 miles or 5 years for on-highway applications. 250,000 miles or 3 years for vocational use. And maintenance-free clutches for added convenience. Like all automated transmissions, the Endurant XD series has a clutch, but these are diaphragm spring clutches designed for long life and maintenance-free operation for maximum uptime. The mechatronic transmission module, integrating pneumatic valves, shift rails, and sensors in a single assembly, is a streamlined approach that improves reliability and service, while a sleek linear clutch actuator protects components from wear and tear and provides easy access for superior serviceability. And your customers will appreciate that this can translate into less downtime. IntelliConnect is included with every Eaton and Eaton Cummins automated transmission. IntelliConnect offers remote diagnostics that monitor vehicle fault codes and can notify your customers of critical events to reduce unplanned downtime. Let's take a closer look at what's included. Live monitoring of fault information, location and map view, fault severity identification, fault code action plans, vehicle history, vehicle watch list, severity activity reports, and custom alerts provided by email, OEM portal, or Eaton IntelliConnect portal. Finally, AMTs reduce wear and tear on trucks. Endurant XD's smart features notify drivers of maintenance or prevents potential failures such as low lubricant, clutch burnups, or broken drive lines.